Page 52, Thriller, a famous song by Michael Jackson. 4/4 time, there's no sharps or flats in it. We're sort of in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the C major and A minor scales, at least 2 octaves up and down. So take this slowly. Now this is a very fast piece, and we're going to take this slowly. Here, and that's tied, so it's here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll put in the staccatos later. The right hand stays down, the left hand comes up. And measure 6 after the double bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4 and 1, 4 and 1, 4 and 1, right there. Two, three, 4. Two, three, 4. Hold on to that. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. It's getting more exciting and more exciting, oh boy. Measure 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and. It's right after. Remember the dotted rhythm. The note's on 1, the dot's on 2. That comes right after 2. 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to think 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, but it comes right before 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I went kind of fast, but you can work it out. Then we add in these staccatos, very short staccatos. You have an accent on the first one here. Keep in mind the right hand isn't staccato, just the left. Keep the right hand down there, measure 4. Now there's a note at the beginning underneath. It says left hand AVA throughout. So the notes are here. You're actually going to play them down here. If you have a short keyboard, you have the notes, then you just use the lowest notes you have. But all the way through the whole piece, you're down here. It's harder to hear them here, so I played them up here so you could hear them better. But really, it's down here. So it's here. And measure 4, keep the right hand down. Here. Accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Accent. Measure 20. Accent. This is a measure 26. And hang on to that. Accent. Measure 36. Staccatos. Accent. Still staccato. Not the half notes. The half notes are not staccato. put in the accents and the staccato. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going, you do it. Dynamic wise, you're starting out soft. The accent makes it sort of soft. Now up a little bit to moderately. That makes the accent in moderately loud. The left hand's still soft or really soft. You're staying in that area until measure 20. You go up a little more to moderately loud. The accent note then is loud, just that one. The left hand's still in the background. You're staying in that area until the bottom of the page, the last measure. You come up. You've been in the background. You're going to come up to loud, but only come up to about moderately loud in the left hand. The right hand's loud. And the accented notes are very loud in the right hand. And you're really loud and excited, and oh boy, everybody's thrilled and all that. And you stay that way until measure 45. You're loud, soft, then moderately loud, loud. So the last line is loud, soft, moderately loud, loud. The boom, this is syncopation. That's kind of neat. I've added some pedal in here, and it's kind of nice because it gives the overtones and makes it more thrilling and exciting. You know, like at the bottom of page 53, you're pushing it down. Actually, you can push it down with them if you want because it's loud. And then change it here. Not quite sure why you want to change it there, but okay, change it there. And then lift it up when you play the staccato note in measure 36, so it's at the same, so you get a staccato. That's pretty much it for the pedal on this thing. I'm not going to actually show the pedal in the play with me because you could do that, I'm sure. There's really not a lot going on here. You could play it without pedal totally if you wanted to. Now you can, in my opinion, if you want to, on measure 37, the accented. You can pedal with it. Separate them just a little bit. Just for that little bit, just to add that thriller to it. And that's pretty much it for pedal. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Okay, I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm not going to do the page turn. If you're playing this for people and you got to turn this page, well, you pretty much got to do it real quick while you're doing it, because you got the pedal down. That'll help you out, and you very quickly turn the page. And good luck with that. I'll leave that up to you. Practice the page turn if you have to, because don't mess up the beat, whatever you do. But I'll give us 3 counts. Now, because of the page turn, I'm going to do pages 52 and 53, and then I'm going to stop. I'm going to turn the page. I'll count in again, 4 counts, and then we'll finish it up. I am going to do the repeat, though, on page 54. 1, ready, go. 1, 1. Rest, rest. 1. Rest, rest. rest. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 4, 1. Rest. 2, 3. One, two. Two, three. Turn the page. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Second ending. Rest. 2, 3, 4.